Hi, this is my review of the Venzio 4-foot long cable bike lock cable with loops for security steel and PVC. It's PVC coated, and on the inside, and I'm going to show you close up, you can see the heavy duty anti-theft chain that's built on the inside. This has multi-functions. You can use it to lock your gate, to lock your grill, to lock your generator. Anti-theft, as I said, for any multiple uses, variety of uses that you can think of. I like that it is 4 feet long. I like that it is durable. I like that you can, if you want to extend something, you just loop it through, put it around the item that you would like to have secured in place. Put this long loop to the area that you would like to secure it to and lock it in place. So it gives you that flexibility. This is very sturdy, very durable. If you're using it for your bike, you can lock up your bike without any problems. There's no one that's going to get through this in any short period of time. And with most thieves or intruders, they want to have an easy access. If you give them a lot of work, then they'll move to the person who chose not to get something as sturdy and secure. So if you're looking for something sturdy and secure to lock up your valuables, then consider Venzio as an option, and you won't be disappointed. Click the link in my bio and get yours today. Thank you.